What I'm about to tell you might seem like a very simple thing. It will seem like something you can just overlook. But the thing about Forex trading is that it reveals to you the kind of person you are. If you thought you are a particular kind of person and you're a very godly person, Forex is going to reveal your true nature to you. That true nature that you've been hiding is going to reveal it to you. All right. So, yesterday, I took my first four trades of the year. Yes, I waited till third week of the month to take my first trades of the year. You get why? I won't get into this right now, but I took my first four trades of the year. I was trading XAU USD, right? I traded the first trade I took was during the London session, and then the other three trades I took was during the uh, London New York overlap session. All right, around maybe like 2 p.m. Now, the first trade I took, I got a win. It was profitable, right? The second trade I took was profitable. At this point now, I already told myself that I'm only going to. I'm I already told myself that at this point it's okay, right? I've taken two trades, both of them win. Is okay. At this point, I had made about 50% of my capital I invested, right? 50% in one day. All right. Now, normally I'm supposed to just leave the market. I'm supposed to go away from the market and waste you tomorrow, right? But the greed, the greed in me, that that greed that doesn't want to be satisfied. The greed in me told me, why don't you take more? You can win more, right? Hmm. I took the third trade. I won it again. At this point, I'd probably won about 75% of my capital in one day. Hmm. Now, stop there. Oh. I didn't agree to stop. Oh my God. I just wanted to, the funny thing about this, I just wanted to make the entire haul, right, a round figure. It was short of a round figure by like maybe like 5%, right? I wanted it to be a round figure. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's a problem I have with round figures, right? I wanted a round figure. All right. Now I went, entered the fourth trade, and guess what happened? I got a drawdown and I lost about maybe 25% of what I got, of the total amount I made that day. I lost about 25% by just that foolish mistake. Now, what happened? Let me break it down for you. I could have asked myself this simple question, but I didn't. The simple question I should have asked myself was this: you see, this money you are risking for this trade, is it worth this small amount you want to add to your total profit for the day just so that you can say you made a round figure? Is it worth it? I didn't ask myself this question, and for that I paid dearly. It wasn't worth it at all. It wasn't worth it. So guys, anytime you feel that urge to trade, right, because you are winning, you're on a winning streak, you feel like you're not going to lose, right? One thing you should always ask yourself is, if I take this extra trade and I lose it, is it worth it versus what I've already gotten? If the answer is no, don't trade. You get, do not trade. But that greed, you have to kill that greed in you. And this is the reason this is what I'm telling you, that if you don't stop this particular thing, you are going to be unsuccessful trading Forex. Is greed. Greed is that one thing I told you in the beginning, that if you don't stop this particular thing, you'll be unsuccessful and unprofitable in trading. Greed, to go out of the market when you need to go out of the market. Your greed will say, why don't you stay? You could earn more. You have to make sure you control your greed, guys. You have to control your greed when you're trading Forex. And I'm speaking especially to Forex beginners, because you guys see all your Forex mentors driving Lambo and everything, and you want to be able to get there as quick as possible. And so that greed is on hyperdrive for you guys. Your greed is on overdrive. You need to crop that thing. You need to crop that thing. Now, let's even, as this was going on, I just realized that there's one other thing that I'm grateful that I didn't do while all this was happening. And this is something that I would have done last year when I started trading, right? While I was on the winning streak, one, two, three in a row, what I would have done last year is that I would have increased my lot size. I would have increased my lot size because I want to now get bigger. It's still a function of greed, you get. But as a more disciplined trader this year, right, I didn't even think twice about my lot size. I kept it on 0.01 and kept going. What kind of useless people are these ones now? Jesus Christ. So if you have learned something from this video, please guys leave a like and support the channel by sharing. If you've learned something important from this video, please guys leave a like and leave a subscribe to the channel. All right, share this video with other prospective beginner traders that are looking to make money in the forex market, and I'll see you on the next video.